He's not overeating. I know that. Look at...
Overheating the brain cell.
This little man does not cuddle me unless he's done something wrong. So I just want to ask, what did you shit on now? Oh, look at him. He's being so loving. He definitely shit on something important.
She runs to anyone who calls her.
Hey, Siri. Hey, Siri.
Stuck in tricky situations.
Uno's hugging my hand and smiling. Oh, he just gave my hand such a big hug.
He can open every window. Snatching a few bites.